Hi, my name is Ken O'Donnell. We're in Castro Valley, up off Green Ridge. I have a 1980 custom-built 3,000 square foot home. We're going to have the driveway redone. Checked out a couple options. One was just have a concrete repoured. The other was neighbor down the street had pavers put in. Thought it looked beautiful. Makes it look like $1 million home. Called up Viking, a couple other competitors. Got some estimates. Viking was the most reasonable bid. That was all inclusive. They were willing to work during the winter, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's almost like Christmas Day. Day 2, left the area very clean, getting ready to start. Putting down gravel and then laying down bricks. Now that's looking like $1 million.